In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timer in card.co. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the timer element, how to place it on your page, and how to make it look the way you want, all without getting lost in settings. First, head over to card.co and sign into your account so you land on your dashboard. Starting from the dashboard keeps everything in one place and ensures you can save your progress as you go. From the dashboard, click New Site. This opens Card's Site Builder and gets you ready to start designing. You'll see a gallery of starting points that range from simple blank canvases to polished templates. For a clean slate, choose Blank Page. This is great for learning because nothing gets in the way while you add your timer. If you prefer, you can select a template below instead. The timer works exactly the same in any layout. With your page open in the builder, look for the Add control to insert a new element. Depending on your view, this may appear as a button or a plus icon. Click it to open the element picker. From the list of elements, select Timer. Card will drop a timer block onto your canvas. You can drag it to position it where it fits best in your design and resize, or align it so it feels balanced with your other content. In the timer settings, choose Countdown as the type for this tutorial. Countdown is ideal when you want to tick down to a specific moment. You'll also see other options like Count Up, which tracks time since an event, and Duration, which measures a set span of time. For now, stick with Countdown so your timer counts toward your chosen event. Once you've selected the type, click Done to place the timer and return to your main editing view. After it's added, you can fine-tune the look in the Appearance tab. This is where you style your timer so it matches your page. Adjust the font to match your site's typography, tweak the size for readability, and set colors that contrast well with your background. You can switch between showing or hiding labels for days, hours, minutes, and seconds, and choose separators that fit your design, like dots or colons. Alignment and spacing controls help center the timer or tuck it neatly within a section. If your design uses cards or sections, consider adding padding so the timer has a bit of breathing room. That's all you need to add a timer in Card. You signed in, started a new site, chose your canvas, added the timer element, set it to Countdown, and styled it in Appearance. Follow these steps whenever you need a clean and on-brand timer on your card page.